Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my new video. Guys, if you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I would be so honored to have you a part of my channel. Alright, so what am I going to be doing today? I'm going to be playing with a new palette I have had so much fun with, and I want to create a look for you and show you how amazing these shadows are. So I got it in Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag, and it is the Violet Voss All of You Forever palette. It has amazing greens, browns, absolutely to die for. If I keep playing with this as much as I am, I'm going to run through this in a couple of months. So here are the shadows. Absolutely breathtaking. I'm telling you, every single time I'm wearing this palette, I get compliments from guys and girls. And that is really hard to find because usually just one sex compliments you. So I can't put this thing down, and I kind of looked around because if I can't find this on a Boxy or Ipsy sale, I'm gonna pay full price. I'm hoping I find it on one of their sales. They usually bring it back around, so I am freaking hoping. I got my fingers and toes crossed, but I did find this on the Violet Voss site, and it is $34. Now I did see it a couple of listings on Amazon, but make sure you're getting an authentic one. You don't want to do anything to mess up your eyes because some of the times these cheap palettes can mess with you, so be careful on that. Now you can see a sneak peek. This is the eyeshadow I am wearing today, and let's go ahead and head over and create it together. I hope that you have this palette as well so you can dip in and create it as well. So let's go ahead and get to it. Here comes the bare face me. Okay, so I moved you up close so you can see everything I'm doing on my eyes, and I've already primed my eyes with the Milani eye primer. So everything is set, and I set it with a setting powder. That's how I like to blend things out on my eyes. And let's go ahead and go into the crease. So I'm going to use Wishful right over here. And just put that on my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take Endless Desire right over here. And I'm going to focus more on the outer part of my crease. And just do a V. So I'm only going up to half part of my eye. And I like a palette that blends out and it doesn't get muddy. You can completely see every color that you put onto your eyelid. And trust me, not all palettes can pull this off. Okay. And each step I like to go in and blend. Now let's go ahead and do one more color just to stack it in, and I'm going to use Charmed over here. And I'm just going to go a little farther. So that is the really deep color over here. This is the deepest brown that is in here. Now let's blend. And so that is my base that I like to stick with. Now I'm going to go in for color. So I have my NYX glitter glue. I'm going to do my trick that I like to do. What I do is I put a dollop on my hand. And every single time I wash the cap, because this is what I do. I dip the cap in, and then I put it exactly where I want it. I get cleaner lines doing it this way than using my fingers. Just make sure you wash the cap. Okay. Now I'm going to go into the all of me over here. And I'm just going to tap it in. Because I get the color exactly where I want it. Absolutely love this. I have been digging in this so much that I have to put this away because I'm going to hit pan on this palette in like 2 months. Now let's go ahead and go to the inner corner. So I'm going to use the All of You over here. And I'm putting it at the inner corner of my eyelid. Blend. All right, now we're going to the inner, not the inner, the middle part of my eye. And I'm going to add a little bit more glitter glue. So let's see, what am I going to do? Am I going to do this? So let's go ahead and put Juicy over here. Am I pointing? Juicy over here. Just tap that on. Now I'm going back into All of Me, and I just want to darken it up a little more at the outer corner. So the top part of my eyelid is done. Now I'm going to work on the lower crease. So I want this part to tie into the lower part. So I'm going to use the All of Me again. So that is done. I'm going to go ahead and brush some of this away. Now I'm going to go back into the Lovebird. That is this pinky shade. It's like a pinky peach. And for some reason, my eyes are watery, and what really lasts is doing powder eyeshadow on the lower lash line. For some reason, it lasts a lot longer, and it doesn't give me irritation. Now, there are some shadows that this does not work for. Make sure it's safe for your eyes. If there's any stinging, do not use the eyeshadow on your lower lash line. Now I'm going to go into Major Spotlight over here. And this is a very white shade. So I'm going to see how this looks to do the inner part, the inner corner of my eye now. Not the lid, the inner corner of my eye. I want to do a touch of Lovebird and then dip into the Major Spotlight. Yeah, I like that. That's really pretty. Now I'm taking my Rare Beauty setting powder. It has a little bit of illumination in it. Just go like this. So that is really pretty. Now I'm going to finish up the look by doing my eyeliner, my mascara, and stuff like that, and then I'm going to come right back. See you in a sec. To me, putting on some eyeliner and mascara really ties in the look, and it just brings it to a whole new level. I'm working on it, and it's always like, yes, it's okay. Then I add the mascara and the eyeliner. It's like whoosh, and it's gorgeous. So I am so happy. All I did was add my eyeliner, my mascara, and then at the corner of the bottom lash line, I added a little bit of black gel eyeliner. I put that in there, and then I just blended some of the Olive You shade over here. And I am so happy with this look. Now you see why this is one of my favorite palettes. When I run out of this, which is probably going to be in 2 months, I'm going to so buy this, and I'm glad I know where to get this at. Okay, so I'm going to give you one last look at my eyes. I am so happy. It is gorgeous. But let's go ahead and end this video by doing our favorite time. It is fur baby time. Here is the Miss Princess Sugar Bear. She is sending all her love and kisses your way. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, guys. You guys are awesome. I love you so much. Bye.